Вечерва на Мотама телевизија. Гледајте емисијата за автомобилизмот. Возете.
Volvo's new safety technology. Try out the new Renault Captur. And take the new Mercedes S-Class out for a spin.
Започнува во 19 часот и 5 минути. Денеска на МТМ ке гледате Евромакс, информативен магазин. 19 часот и 30 минути.
Оскаровска победа. Европските победници на Оскарите во 2013 година. Птичја перспектива. Германски фотограф слика од небото. Атракција во главниот град. Работи кои може да се видат и направат во Сараево.
Well, this is me.
That's right.
Are you okay?
Yeah. You okay to drive?
What, do I seem...
Happy? I haven't seen that smile on your face in a while.
Lieutenant Kane?
Can I help you?
Pete Wilton. Knocked off a chain of grocery stores about 6 years ago. Caught me in Liberty City.
I remember, Pete. The Good Samaritan got hit, and you got manslaughter, right?
Yeah. And your testimony helped put me away.
Is that why you've been following me?
I'm 2 years into my parole and I've got a problem.
Pete, if you make that move, it's going to be your last.
Relax, Lieutenant. It's a photograph.
Take it out. Slowly.
It's my son, Jeff. Went to school 3 days ago and never came back.
Did you call 911?
Yeah, I went to PD, but they're not too concerned with parolees' kids. He's not the way I used to be. I know that something happened to him.
Okay, well, I'm sure the detectives are on it. Let me
No,
go.
it's gotta be you. Look, I was guilty, and you knew it. You came after me with everything you had. And I saw that. I know you can find my boy.
What kind of trouble was he in?
None. Really. No, I just figured if you could bulldog a guy like me, you could do half as good with a good kid. Who would save him?
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами.
Mañana se termina todo. Verás mi verdadera cara. El rostro de la mujer que humillaste. Sentirás lo mismo que yo. Traición.
Сладка тајна. Новелата Сладка тајна. Не пропуштајте.